First of all, it's a beautiful setting. Couldn't imagine to have an event in such a beautiful place. Value for me is actually meeting two different groups. One are people that I work remotely with at SSI, which is important to me, but also, as or more importantly, meeting clients and getting basically straightforward feedback from clients on ways we can improve our software to help it work better for them. And I really enjoy getting that feedback, good or bad. Good is nice, bad is even better sometimes, because then you know what you need to improve. So that's what I take from a value perspective from all this.
Always very important to come to these events as I work remotely, and actually met a South African that's quite a big guy in the South African shipbuilding, and it's very valuable connections.
So it's just a great opportunity for us to hear what we're doing well, which is always nice to hear, but then more importantly, hear where we've got room to improve. You know, that's one of those SSI principles, is to be able to continuously looking for better ways to be honest about ourselves and figure out how we can move that forward. So being able to hear what they're working on, how we stack up against some of the competitors, and what they're looking to accomplish in that broader view has been really, really informative so far.
Tomorrow I will have a few presentations on our whole solution, including design, engineering and information management, what I find a very interesting topic. Of course, I want to share my insights on this, and hopefully that can inspire a few conversations around information management, change management, configuration management, and how to connect different types of sources in one single solution that helps shipbuilders make better ships.
I have a lot of questions to to put, especially on the part of the connection with datas. Definitely all the ERP integration is something that I'd like to dig in way more, because we are considering it, and it's something that we might want in. There were also very cool stuff like the 25 tips and tricks in 25 minutes. I'll need to go deeper into that. So yeah, it was pretty cool to go.
I've been finding there's been some great collaboration and just awesome discussions with respect to specific themes. I mean, the shipbuilding PLM environment keeps coming up, and specifically with respect to the training, it's been great to kind of showcase our Nexus platform and what we have available for users to kind of avail of.
This has been the first chance to actually meet people in person, and that's really exciting, to hear their problems firsthand, to hear their excitement firsthand about some of our products and what we're doing. So I'm relishing that opportunity here today.
I say thanks to SSI, thanks to ShipConstructor, because also we create a business and also a way of working that is comfortable and also funny. I employ a lot of naval architects and engineers. In this way, using ShipConstructor, they are able to enjoy their work.
What I like most is that you have this feeling there is absolutely nothing that you cannot do, right? And it's that tool that allows you to just, if you can draw it, it will be part of the database in a way. Like, is it an equipment? Is it a pipe? It is a structure? Is it a custom plate? It is whatever, but we'll bring it in and we'll integrate it. And again, I use other tools in the market. I will not say, but I use other tools in the market. And I could say, like, you know, one guy that was doing structure, but he could not do nesting, or one guy that was doing piping, but he could not do spools. Well, in ShipConstructor, you can do hull, you can do structure, you can do piping, equipment, electrical, HVAC, outputs, database management. You can do everything, because technically it's the same tool. When you install it, we install it all. And, you know, you just focus on the difference from model to module, but it's like 80% of what you use for structure you can also use for the other tool, and I think that's really a big advantage.
It's good to understand that, yeah, everybody's very appreciative of the things we've just added, but that there is still some work to be done. And we now have people that we can meet and we can directly reach out to and interact with to make sure that we get it right.